Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Beginner's Guide to Python Programming. Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language widely used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. This tutorial aims to introduce you to some basic concepts of Python programming with code examples to help you get started on your coding journey. Before you begin, make sure Python is installed on your machine. You can download the latest version from the official website, Python Downloads. Let's start with a simple Hello World program. Open your favorite text editor and create a file named hello_world.py. Save the file and open a terminal. Navigate to the directory containing hello_world.py and run the following command. You should see the output. Congratulations! You've just executed your first Python program. In Python, you don't need to explicitly declare the data type of a variable. Python dynamically infers it. Here are some basic data types. Functions help organize code into reusable blocks.